Today I'm going to show you how to fix an element not showing up in Figma. This is a common issue that can be frustrating when you're working on a design, but the solution is actually quite straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project where you're experiencing this problem. For example, let's say you have a rectangle element and an ellipse element in your design, but the ellipse doesn't appear on your canvas even though you know it's there. This can be confusing at first, but there's usually a simple explanation. The most common reason for this issue is that your rectangle shape is not inside your frame, and it's positioned on top of the ellipse, effectively hiding it from view. The layering order in Figma is crucial, and elements that aren't properly organized within your frame can overlap in unexpected ways. To see if this is the problem, try moving your rectangle shape to a different position on the canvas. If the ellipse suddenly becomes visible, you've confirmed that the rectangle was covering it. This tells us we need to adjust either the positioning or the layering order. Now, to fix this properly, look at the left side of your screen where the Layers panel is located. Here you can see the hierarchy of all your elements. Find the rectangle in this panel and drag it inside the frame structure. This ensures that your elements are properly organized and contained within the frame boundaries, which is the correct way to structure your Figma designs. Alternatively, you can right-click on the ellipse element and select Bring to Front from the menu that appears. This option moves the ellipse to the top of the layer stack, making it visible above all other elements. This is a quick fix that's especially useful when you want a specific element to be the most prominent. Here's a simple tip to prevent this issue in the future. Whenever you're creating a new element, make sure that you drag it inside your frame right from the start. This keeps your design organized and prevents layering problems before they even happen. It's a good habit that will save you time and frustration down the road. And that's it. Your element should now be showing up correctly in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.